Good morning. Morning, Mom.
What day is it?
Wednesday?
Not like day of trip.
Second day.
The 3rd, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's the 3rd day.
3rd day.
I don't even know what day it is anymore.
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way.
Jeez.
Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. A few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around.
How you doing, buddy?
No more school.
Where are we?
No more room,
We're in the rockiest of mountains.
to feel the blue and you all
I brought my laptop with me for the hike.
get all the time we don't have to give. Everything we're giving is enough. Moments fit together like a glove. All my questions answered by this. It was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it
You're
was
out
a
here.
good day.
Yes, we are.
Not much to
Rocky
do
Mountain.
but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed
It's so
around.
beautiful.